welcome back to the channel. Today we're out, it's just north of the Moat, just about a block, maybe a block or two. Found this little area I thought it would be really cool to walk around. It's Sanam Kela Lane. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. And like I said, we're just about a block off the Moat, and we'll walk around through here, see what's going on. Nice little place over here, nice little shady tree, and somebody selling cool drinks. Looks like they got ice cream too. It's like this is the local hangout, which I don't blame it. It's probably the only place cool in Thailand. Oh, selling noodles too. Swadee Kap. Get your ice cream right there. Now the Moat is that way, the north end of the Moat. But we're going to walk down this way. And I have never been on this road before, so I don't really know what's here. We're going to find out. Veterinary clinic. Interesting. Looks like there's a really neat temple up here on the right-hand side. It does seat repair. I gotta watch out I don't get my ass run over. We'll walk up here a little ways, see what's here. Coffee shop out of business. High-star internet cafe. Little house here. I don't know if it's abandoned or not. I don't think so. Let's see where that dog's barking from. One thing I'm kind of curious is, you know, all these co-working spaces, what are they doing during the lockdown? You know, because you're not supposed to sit anywhere and eat. I don't know, if somebody that does that, let me know. I'm just kind of curious. Food Panda. Looks like a little restaurant there. I have really got to watch walking around out here. If you get out in the street, he'll hit you. Wow, Harley Davidson. I bet that thing gets hot when it's riding, when you're riding it. I've been to that temple before, I believe. I think that's a Chinese temple. But I've been on the back side of it. You guys just taking it easy. It's kind of neat. Yeah, I believe I've been there before. I don't generally get over in this area too often. I have a tendency to get lost. There's all your fruit. I have a tendency to get lost when I get over in this area. We'll go up here and I think we'll make a left. Yeah, looks like they're doing construction work there. Look out. You buy you a good safe right there. Probably anything else you want on the place right next door. Motorcycle repair shop. Thailand National Sports University, Chiang Mai campus. That's what that is over there. Picking up his orders. Oh, hamburger, 49 baht, not bad. Okay, now I do know where I'm at. Looks like a killer swimming pool over there. Oh, skateboard track. Huh. All right, we're gonna walk left here, because I think this will probably take us right back to the motorcycle. Oh, there's a big apartment building right there. No, that's Faculty of Liberal Arts. It's a school. Again, it's hot out, no doubt. Cafe 23. Nice breeze now, though. Closed. And I never knew all this stuff was back here. Neat house. You got to think too, a lot of people in Thailand will buy a bunch of cars and they'll rent them. They have got to be really hurting right now. Oh, that's weird. It's that same canal we walked by on the other side. Same way with the motorcycle rental agencies, they're dying right now. Looks like a compound of houses back in here. Yep, that's exactly what it is. It's not uncommon to find that. You'll find a blocked-in section with 4 or 5 houses in there with different people living in each one of them. There's some nice modern houses in here too. don't know what's down there. I think we're going to need to walk down. Well, we'll walk out this way. Oh. I hate to admit it, but I'm a little bit lost. Beautiful house right here. Wow. There's another one here. Another one right here too. No telling what the value of these things are. Oh, we're right back at the same spot we started at. Well, listen, I hope you enjoyed that little walk, and remember, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave me some comments, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.